Hi, this is Steve Hultquist with RedSeal. This is the third in our 8-part series, Certifying Your Network with RedSeal. In this video, I'm going to show you probably the greatest piece of magic in RedSeal, how you can determine your end-to-end access to and through your network. RedSeal reads device configurations and builds a map, as we've seen in an earlier video. You can organize the map however you'd like using the RedSeal automation tools or just by placing the objects on the map where you'd like them to be. Every time a new configuration gets read or the same configuration but with changes is read, the map gets updated automatically. You can also group objects as you see here. The grouping and layout makes it easy to understand the different pieces of the network when you're asking queries or when you're trying to visualize what's actually happening on your network. You can ask RedSeal, for example, to show you all the access from one group into the rest of the network. I've asked for all access from the internet. Now, some of this you might expect. For example, access into the DMZ from the internet seems to make sense. It might also be that access into these subnets over here off the campus distribution router might be okay, although I would argue that's questionable. But this one is certainly an anomaly. You can see here, this is part of the corporate network. In the corporate group, you can see what the IP address range is, and by clicking on one of the two arrows, you can see the access details by clicking on the tab. By going there, you see that this access goes to only one IP address and on one port. Other access you can find similarly, simply by clicking through one by one on the access lines, or simply by stepping through the access vectors in this table. Knowing what access exists throughout your network from any point to any other point is an amazing piece of information that is virtually impossible to gather any other way. RedSeal allows you to visually query your network to understand end-to-end access whenever you want. This has been Steve Hultquist with the third video in our 8-part series, Certifying Your Network with RedSeal. This video has been all about how to visualize end-to-end access and understand what your network allows. Thank you for joining us.